Good morning. So today we'll be talking about Gaia GPS. So first of all, you need to install the Gaia GPS from the Play Store, and then you just open it. As soon as you open it for the first time, you will be prompted to register. So you register yourself with the given Gmail or maybe any other like Facebooks and all. And then first, what you have to do is you have to take care of the settings. So as soon as the interface gets open, so you go to setting and we check the account, and here you see a lot of options. So here my email address, and I can also reset, and then logout is done through this account button. And for the appearance, we do a setting from here, the dark mode maps, and also the units are being set from here. The appearance units, we always use a metric unit, that is in meter, and the coordinate type is whatever is that is is user definable. So whatever you need, you type it here. Decimal degree, it will come in decimal degree like 27.89 and then like 89.6 something, and then degree minute seconds, you know it very well. And a UTM means like easting and northing. So you don't have to MGRS coordinates, you don't have to do that. So here just now I'm keeping decimal degree, and coordinate datum, that is we don't have options for that one, so we use the global, that is World Geodetic System, that was founded on 1984. So going back, so you see a map control. So here whatever you need, this is your interactions and all that, you can do it by yourself. The performance, so that is like if you want to save power of your phone, that is battery power, then you put it on. And like storage, this storage is like where you wanted to save the exports, and where any map that you upload here. And also like save photos to gallery, that is if you wanted to, as soon as you click the photo in this Gaia app, the photo will automatically be stored in your gallery. Turn by turn routing is like if you wanted to have a verbal instruction like go left, go right while routing, so like you already have a map imported in your Gaia app, and then you wanted to get the direction. So it can be used like if you are a visually impaired person, so you can use this one, or otherwise like in case of driving, you can keep in front of you, on the dashboard, and then it will tell you where to go. So these are the experimental features. It has the 3D, but then it's experimental, sometimes it won't work. So as soon as the bugs being fixed, then they will enable it into that interface that we're working on currently. Go to maps. So maps is the platform where you see maps, okay, but then just now what you see is you can see the terrain model. Here in Gaia app, if you wanted to have a satellite image, you need to subscribe. The subscriptions are there, so you need to upgrade to a premium subscription. Otherwise, layer, you see that you have the Gaia Topo, that is just now it's a topo map. It's incorporated with the OpenStreetMaps. So if you wanted to go to satellite, see, you will this is you will prompt to these labels, so whereby you need to get a premium of 27.99 US dollar per year, so that if you wanted to have, you can have it. Otherwise, if you're okay with the topo map, that is 10 model, you can go on with that one. And like I already said that this is a layer map, and then the plus one is something like you can add on. So if you wanted to record track, so you for the record track you have another record track here also. This is the record. I just clicked it as a shortcut, so whereby you can change it otherwise. So just now I'll just delete this one, and here getting to the point, so you have record track, that is to record the track. So wherever you are going, the track, the location will be tracked along, record along. For the add waypoint, if you add the waypoint, if you select add waypoint, then you can create a new waypoint. And then add waypoint my location means you're not creating a new location by yourself, but it will, it's with respect to the GPS that you have inside the internal GPS. It will get your location, and then it will automatically locate your location. And create area is like if you can zoom into certain area, and then if you wanted to create that, if you wanted to find out the area, then you can do through that one. And create route is same as if you are planning to go somewhere, and then first of all you need to plan, right? So as soon as you plan, and then if you are like already having a map, then you can upload it inside, and then you can create a route. Download map means like for the offline purposes. So if you're going somewhere, if you're planning to track somewhere where there is no internet facility, or maybe there's a network coverage is very low, then you can download the map and then go, so that you can use it offline. Picture, you already know. So import means like if you're importing a KML, or maybe import like images, photos, etc. So it will directly get here, and this is the options. So now the other one, this one is you can click it, and then you just zoom it to your location in a sense, the phone's location, because it goes by with the internal GPS. So once you click it, it turns red. And again, if you wanted to further, you can click it, and then you can recenter, so whereby the gyroscope is being enabled. In our phone we have the gyroscope too, so if you move around, the map will move around. See, it will orient with respect to the north, the true north. And then this is zoom extend, so you can full screen zoom, zoom extend, so you can switch to off here also. And then this one is search, whereby you input a lat long, because why it's coming lat long, because we in a setting we have selected the decimal degree, so that is lat long. So otherwise, if you have selected UTM, universal transverse marketer, then here it will come easting and northing. So these are the features. So if you are this is a status bar that you have, the two button, the record, and other one is camera if you want. So you are recording, and then now you are tracking. As soon as you see some landmarks, or maybe you wanted to pick up that one, and then as a reference, then you can take a picture of it, image. So hereby I'm inside the house, so but then if you wanted to have, you can just click it and it gets uploaded. See, now you can give the title of the photo and what that photo means, for the future reference, so you can keep notes here. The other one is elevation. So if you are looking for something that you wanted to have, this elevation is just, by default it's coming. So what you do is you point onto that and do a long press. Here there will be a sequence of options that you will get. So if you wanted to preview, or maybe if you wanted to see a speed, so you can see it from here, the course, average speed, everything, whatever, ascent, descent is very important, right, to while tracking, to know the ascent and the descent of the track. Before you plan, what we usually do is we plan according to the ascents and descent. If there's a lot of ascents, so we have to plan accordingly, because we have to climb more, and then we need to have energy accordingly. We can take the foodings, maybe some energizer. So these are the options. Even you have the sunset and the sun rays, because it runs with respect to the time that we have in our phone, which is already been set. So accordingly you can reach to a destination. So here I'll keep coordinates, okay, and then here also we can keep other, but then I recommend you keeping this record, and then because it's a shortcut. And also you see that while we move around 210 S means south, this is the compass, digital compass. And also we have zoom level. So here, whenever you zoom in and out, you see the scale, that is the zoom level. And you can also manually zoom in and out. So plus means you can zoom in, and minus means you can zoom out. And here you see the trip button, right? So a trip button. So you open the trip button, and then you can walk along or run along, and you can see everything in one go. So time taken is 3 minutes something, and then the track name, we didn't edit it, but then you can edit it accordingly, and you get the coordinates and the accuracy, plus minus the accuracy. Just now, as I am under the canopy, that is under the roof of a building, so it's coming 17-18 meter, that is accuracy. So I'm within the 18 to 17 meter range. Speed, I'm not walking, so that's why it's already 0. And essence, and that's all, because I didn't track, right? So as soon as I track how much I have ascent, it will show it here. So graph, everything, elevation profile. And this is like satellite, how much satellite that this internal GPS picking. So GPS is connected, and you see a lot of variation, because it depends with the multipath, the GPS that I am receiving. And discover is something like, you can filter it, you can but then it shows what is popularly nearby. So just now I'm in Chirang, so I guess in Chirang there's no popular tracks here, so that's why they're not showing. So they're showing it directly. They're going to Paro, that is Tiger's Nest, Taksang, which is 91.7 kilometer away from here. That is aerial distance. So also difficulty level is also there. And then the other one is saved. So whenever you click some photos, even if you upload a KML file, the line, even the polygon, anything, it gets in here. So just now I will open the snowman trail, which I have uploaded and it was used in a snowman race 2022. I was a part of it, and I was chosen as a focal from NLCS to represent the National Land Commission in the snowman race. Me and my friend Tika, and we introduced that one, and then we gave it to the runners. So whereby they use it, and then while running there's no network, nothing. So offline map has been already been downloaded. That's why they ran through the trail, and if they happen to lost their ways, they use this map to relocate themselves. So this is the trail, which is 203 kilometers. So you can show it on the map. See, the red ones are like 8 stations, whereby they will spend the night. 8 station and then checkpoints where they have been taking care. So this is Casa. So they ran all the way from Gaza, and then there's one checkpoint, and then somewhere here even you can click it, and then you can know the locations. So this is Ponjotang. This is one of the checkpoints. So these are the map, so already been created and uploaded, so we can do that one. That's it. That's it for now. So if you have any problem, I will just make another video and then give it to you. For now, this is signing me off from Professional Development Center at Tirang. Thank you.